Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now by lining up industry essentials: pro headshots, a tight resume, and 2 reel clips that show range. Once done, find an agent or manager who actively submits to studio casting. Make sure they have Marvel credits or similar. While securing representation, attack training, fight choreography, accents, and cold read drills, because you'll need skills for callback rounds. This early momentum creates credibility and gets you into casting pools fast, rather than waiting for luck to arrive. Once you know the part, research its tone and the MCU phase. It influences performance choices. Then assemble a targeted self-tape. Clear slate, controlled lighting, and 90 to 120 seconds that hook in the first 10 seconds. You must show a choice quickly. Make adjustments based on feedback and attend workshops, conventions, and panels where casting directors appear, because relationship building often turns a blind submission into a named audition. Finally, keep logs of submissions and notes for each role. You handle callbacks by listening, making bold adjustments, and demonstrating range without losing authenticity. Casting wants flexibility. Once an offer arrives, let your agent negotiate pay, credit, scheduling, and stunt or health protections. These matter. If you don't land the role, troubleshoot by reviewing tapes, asking for director notes if possible, and tightening your reel. Meanwhile, keep working in TV, indie films, or commercials to build credits and income, because steady momentum makes you a safer, more attractive hire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.